Workshop!
What is Friday Workshop?
Friday Workshop is making things, doing things, and whatever we do in the workshop.
And what are we doing this week?
This week we're going to be using a laser.
A laser?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, this one's going to be really cool. So, last week we had some real technical difficulties with the laser. But we still wanted to get a video out because we have not missed a video since we started this channel. Every single Friday for over a year now we've put out a video. So we put out a video just kind of explaining our technical difficulties. But this week we're ready to show you a laser.
Yeah, and this video that you guys have been waiting for an entire week.
Yes, how to laser engrave wood. So, without further ado,
Here we go.
here we go.
Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and show you how this laser works. So first we open up this program that's called Grib Laser. So this program is pretty much the program that we use to run the laser. So first, then we go ahead and grab this image right here that we're going to be doing. Just go ahead and place it right there. And then it brings this up. So you want to make sure that they're all set at the right stuff. It's looking like it's all there. So you hit next. Then you look at here, if it says 60 by 60, yep. And we're good there. And then there's the image all set right there. And then you want to make sure that it's up high enough, which it's going to be right below 3,000 or at 2,800, so that'll work. So now we're going to go ahead and do the framing for it. Friday Workshop!
Laser edition!
Yeah!
Laser edition. Guess what we completed?
Yeah, we completed this awesome looking coaster.
Yeah, how cool was that thing? Holy cow. And not only did we complete the coaster, we also made some business cards.
Yeah, I also have one too.
Yeah.
And we also have our email there on the bottom in case you want to contact us or collaborate with us.
Yeah, how cool is that? Holy cow. We now have a laser etcher.
Yeah.
So we ran into some problems.
And we fixed through them.
Yeah. So mostly we changed the program from light burn to laser Gerbil, and that was a big bulk of how it fixed it. And then also started it from absolute coordinates instead of user origin coordinates. And that was a big bulk of how that fixed it.
Yeah.
So now we have a laser engraver.
Laser.
And Dom is going to be in charge of all the graphic artwork in the future projects probably, and use of the laser.
My dad doesn't want to work with it anymore.
Yeah, it's so frustrating. Oh my goodness. This is an Afuro Laser 1, just in case you wanted to know what kind we got. I don't even know if I recommend it at this point, but
yeah. It's had a lot of problems with it.
but it's working now.
And
so,
hey, it's the one we got, so might as well use it.
Yeah. So if you like videos like these with lasers in them,
yeah, like and subscribe and turn on that bell notification so you can stay tuned and watch all the new videos that we post.
and we post a lot.
Yeah, every single Friday.
Every single Friday, yeah. So, until next time.
See ya!
See ya!